What would you do if you lost everything in one day? Your wealth, your family, your future. Would you still believe in God? There was a man named Job. He had everything: wealth, family, peace. But more than that, he had faith. Then, without warning, everything changed. His animals were gone, his servants gone. Fire fell from the sky, his world collapsed. Then came the worst news: all his children gone.
My God, why have you forsaken me? I was at ease, but you shattered me. Though he slay me, yet will I hope in him.
Job fell to the ground, broken. But he didn't curse God. He said, "The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." But the pain continued. His body was covered in
Job,
sores.
why? Why this suffering?
The Lord gives and takes away.
Curse God and die. End this!
I will not sin with my lips.
He sat in ashes alone. Even his wife said, "Curse God and die." His friends too blamed him. Job questioned. He didn't understand, but he held on to faith. And in the end, God restored him. But more than that, Job proved something powerful. Faith is not built in comfort, it is relieved when everything is gone. Do you have the faith which Job had? Subscribe for more powerful stories.